Nothing personal. And the GoPro is on. Okay, we'll start recording this portion of the ride. We're going to go all the way out to the grassy knoll, but we're going to stop at the closer train place on the way. This is Greencastle, Indiana, People Pathways Bicycle Trail. We're going to take a little over a mile of People Pathways. We'll make a right, go down another maybe 3/4 of a mile till the People Pathways ends. Then we're going to get out on the street and go to a couple of our favorite places to watch trains. We're on People Pathways, Greencastle, Indiana. Wait for traffic. All right, we're good to go. Elizabeth, you hearing me okay? Yeah. We've got the Sena Pi radio transceivers that clip on the straps of the helmet. So as long as we're within about 1/4 mile of each other, we can carry on the conversation, which is kind of nice. Also makes things a lot safer as well, because we can warn each other of obstacles, potholes, cars approaching, shoelace difficulties like yesterday. She got her shoelace caught up in her pedal. I had to turn around and go back. This is a very nice trail, but it needs a little bit of maintenance. I've got the remote for the GoPro in my pocket. I could turn on voice commands for the GoPro, but I've just not done that. Elizabeth is back there on a mountain bike following me, so I'm not going to drive, not going to cycle too fast. Beautiful evening, a little cool. I've got the e-bike on pass 1, pedal assist 1, which I have set to govern at 8 miles per hour. So usually it's between 6 and 7.5 miles per hour. It keeps me down to Elizabeth's mountain bike speed. Good evening. I've got the GoPro mounted on a handlebar mount. I'm going to do a little bit of test video, and I'll go back and look at it later and see how well I set the settings for it. So that's about, well, 8.5 miles per hour now. I've got a radio scanner with me, listening to the road channel and dispatch for CSX. It'll give us a heads up if we've got any trains coming. We both enjoy photographing and videoing trains and watching trains. So we kind of combine a little bit of that with the bike ride. Pretty bumpy there. Hopefully the GoPro will smooth out the bumps in the video. This is a GoPro 11 with the GoPro remote. No idea what kind of wind noise we'll get while riding. I'm riding an electric bike, an e-bike. It's a HeyBike BRAWN. It's a class 3 e-bike, but I've got it set up as a class 2. Elizabeth, are you keeping up with me back there?
Yeah, right behind you.
Good. Remind me to order a mirror for your bike tonight.
I will. I definitely will.
I'm recording this on the HeyBike GPS map that tracks your, part of their app that tracks your ride. I've also got the ride recording in Ride with GPS. I've got Strava, but I don't really tend to use it. We have come to the end of the Putnam Pathways Trail. And we're going to come up here on Album Pond Road. So we've got from here on out road rides. I'm going to turn on the bike's headlight for a little bit better visibility. Hey Elizabeth, is the light on my helmet turned on?
No, why don't you use this?
Okay.
When you lift your head, feel like
Okay, good.
there's a kingfisher.
Over at on the flying around the pond?
It was on top of the wire.
Oh, okay.
That's staying high.
Elizabeth is watching the birds. Doing 8.9 mile per hour. I may have this pedal assist 1 set for 9 mile per hour. I probably do. I think I bumped it up a while back. I'm going to bump it up to pedal assist 2. Open it up a little bit see what kind of speed I can get. We're at 15.3, 15.2. I think I've got pedal assist 2 set for 15 miles per hour. And then for 3, 4, and 5, I've got set to their defaults. You still hearing me, Elizabeth?
I still hear you. Wait for myself.
Yeah, I'm gonna come up to the stop sign and let you catch up.
Thank you.
Is your headlight on?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
But you can't see it right now because it's not dark.
Okay,
I forgot to wear my light.
that's okay. I'm wearing green, so I matched the bicycle today. Baby blue. Okay, I'm up here at the stop sign. I'm coming to a stop here. I'm sitting here at the stop.
Okay, you were breaking up a little bit.
Yeah, I'm a good bit ahead of you.
Yeah, no kidding. You have an obvious advantage over me.
GoPro's still recording. You back there?
Yeah, I'm back here.
I see you. Okay. You want to go ahead of me for a little bit?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, another rider. Hello. About 15.5 there. Elizabeth, I'll wait for you on this top of this next hill.
All right.
Pass 3 and I can easily catch up with that cyclist. I was almost keeping up at pass 2, but I was limited to about 15 miles per hour. I'm going to pause here at this driveway.
As I said before, you have an unfair advantage for me.
I see you back there.
I'm catching up. All right, I'm right on your tail.
All right. About 15.5 mile per hour on pass 2. We're going to go into the train watching place, the one that's close by. Had a sneeze coming on. You still hearing me?
I still hear you.
Good.
Catching up to you.
Yep, your light's on. I see you back there.
Yeah.
Make sure there's nothing behind you when you make your turn. I'll keep an eye out for you.
Thank you. Oh, there's a car.
Okay. Just pull over to the side and wait a second. Clear behind you. And out to the tracks. Not hearing anything on the scanner, on the radio. Heard a little bit of something earlier, but didn't hear any talk. Just broke the squelch. I got this front fork adjusted a lot better. I adjusted the slack and the amount of cushion. There we go. And I'm going to turn off the GoPro for a bit because we're going to hang out here for a little bit.